So I'm going to introduce a few people. Firstly, ladies and gentlemen, the first guest I would like to invite on stage has witnessed the typewriter being junked for the keyboard. She has watched photo negatives being replaced by the wizardry of the digital Photoshop. She has 3 decades in film journalism, Parliament, and she's faced many hardships. She is a force of naturalistic style of acting. Her success story is not only stirring, but also reflects her passion for acting, which has brought her so far in life. Ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, please welcome on stage, Mrs. Jaya Bachchan! I'd like to invite the head of marketing, Rustomjee Developers, Mr. Shekhar Lele, to please felicitate Mrs. Jaya Bachchan. A huge round of applause once again for the Rustomjee Group.
Can't even see the audience.
वाला लाइट बंद कर दीजिए, ये बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है।
So, first and foremost, I have to tell you guys that you all are extremely fortunate that Jaya had a conversation with me, because anybody who knows Jaya even remotely will
Put
tell
your
you.
mobile down. I can't see, you're flashing it right into my eye.
So anybody who has known Jaya ji even remotely will tell you that it's not very easy to get her. So I think you guys can clap for yourself. Jaya ji, your journey started in Bhopal. You grew up in Bhopal. So what kind of a childhood did you have? I've always been curious. Every time I go to Bhopal, I keep imagining you bicycling on the streets, because I've heard that you are very spirited and very brave and very fearless.
Well, I don't know about all that, but I had a great, very happy childhood. Yes, Bhopal was a very different town. Bhopal didn't have a flat ground, you know, it was slightly hilly, rocky. Yes, I did cycle a lot whenever I got the time.
What kind of a...
And rectify them. Please stop taking pictures. I hate it because it's right into my eye. आप या तो यहाँ आ जाइए, एकदम मेरे सामने बैठ के photo खींच. These are basic manners we Indians have to learn. Just because you have a camera, you have a mobile, you have the freedom to take anybody's picture, anytime, without asking that person. These are basic educations that all colleges and schools and parents at home should teach their children. It's very annoying. I have a freedom to say no to being photographed. I'm trying to chat here, you're sitting right in front of me, clicking right into my eyes. Very bad. I hate indiscipline.
Light changes.
I agree.
Why light changes?
And it breaks the thought process. She was
Absolutely.
about to share with us about her childhood, about her father, and don't do this to her because it's insensitive. Thank you.
We were allowed to think, act, and make mistakes. And if we did, we had to take care of it ourselves. And we were taught to take correct decisions or the right decisions. If we did, I don't know. And I think that's what taught me to live life.
You just mentioned that you grew up in a home of girls and you're the eldest and you got 2 younger sisters. Was there any kind of discrimination made at home कि ये चीज़ें लड़कियाँ नहीं करती?
Not at all.
कभी भी नहीं.
Not at all. Not at all. I mean, in fact, we never realized, there was never a discussion of आप फोटो खींच लीजिए फिर मैं बात finish as much as you want tonight.
नीचे उसका उस पे ध्यान
Tell me when you finish and then
आग लगती है बाइट उठ नहीं आ रही है दादा दादा excuse me ओ लाइट दादा लाइट येलो रखना अपना वाइट रखना वाइट येलो मत रखना
can't see anybody.
अब मैं कुछ बोलने वो चेंज कर
Can we start?
मुझे कुछ नहीं
Started wrong. This is one reason why I never ever go to such functions. Because I'm an extremely outspoken person. I say what I see and what I feel. And I think that you children are so young, you're starting out so early in life. The most important thing for you to try and show not how officious you are with your headphones and welcoming, but you have to show how professional you are by organizing it in a simple but a good way. You have to, I mean, basic courtesy is you ask the guest, do you mind if you call the press? Do you mind if the pictures are taken? Or whatever. But you must ask your guests. I'm not against the media, I'm not against people taking pictures, but there's time for everything. I'm sorry for sounding like a great grandmother, but that's what I am.
No, and just adding up to what she's saying, because if we are here to educate the youngsters, then I think it is only fair that for somebody of Jayaji's experience would like to say what she feels, and even I am allowed to express. For example, this chair that is given to us. Before you keep a chair ready for your two guests, does anybody sit on that chair and try it out, that how comfortable or uncomfortable it is? Because there are two people who are going to have a conversation. So anyway, now I hope we can continue with our conversation and you are not going to interrupt.
I think, Bhavna, the most, since we have gone off track, maybe any one of you want to stand up and ask something, but I must see your faces because I don't like faceless people.
I think what we can do is that let us see how prepared are you guys for your esteemed guest. You ask questions and in between I will take off and continue with her asking questions. Correct?
So, yeah.
So I would like somebody from the audience who has a question. And please show us some light. Why are you all hiding in the darkness like this? Is it deliberate?
They are videoing the whole thing. आप ये लाइट्स बंद करके ऑडियंस का लाइट ऑन करिए.
Yes, you can ask your question.
Yes, of course.
You ask the question, you give me. Whatever.
अभी बंद मत करो हॉल का लाइट चालू है
He wants to know how I felt when I went to the studio for my first day shooting. I want to tell you that I did a film at the age of 13, directed by Mr. Satyajit Ray, called Mahanagar. So, a 13-year-old girl, I'm talking about 63, 64, उस वक्त की बात है. For me, it was an adventure. I didn't go thinking so seriously. I'm working for Satyajit Ray, first time studio. I'd been to studios and things like that because of the exposure that my parents gave me. But so I was not nervous. I was not excited. I was very casual, very matter of fact. Went in.
But you were prepared that you're going to act in this film?
No, not at all. In fact, I was not keen to do the film. Because, you know, I went to a convent school and I was a little worried that the nuns will be upset and they would not like me acting in a movie. I mean, and in a place like Bhopal at that time, you know, that was quite a...
But even in Bhopal at that time, I mean, after all, it is Satyajit Ray and it's Madhavi Mukherjee.
Madhavi Mukherjee was not known before this movie.
Right.
She did some films, but she was never the Madhavi Mukherjee before this.
Correct.
So, in fact, the hero of the film was a very well-known actor called Anil Chatterjee. So I was actually a little worried. My father said that you are getting an opportunity that very few in this world are going to get. It's up to you to avail, to get the experience, because Satyajit Ray asking you to work is a huge business, but I leave it to you.
So I can understand that Satyajit Ray was attracted to you and wanted to cast you. I can understand that your father gave you this fantastic advice, that you are fortunate to get this opportunity. But what is really interesting for me is that how did that little girl, 13-year-old, why was she so confident that she had the actress in her?
I didn't. I just went there thinking that, you know, Satyajit Ray's movie, I don't think you know, oh, lovely, now it's nice. Satyajit Ray's movie and he'll do it all. And I was right. He never allowed us to act. It was about a middle-class family where the husband loses his job and the wife has to go out and start earning. And the kind of problems she faces in a big city and a working woman at that time. Harassment from her boss, colleagues, in-laws, and how she deals with it.
Called Hum Kadam.
Is it?
Yeah, Rakhi did it with Parikshit Sani.
I haven't seen it.
I'm not sure. I think it was Bashu Chatterjee.
Okay.
Once you had finished your schooling, and then you went to college?
I went to the institute, yes.
Immediately to the FTII. So how did you come to know? Because FTII had just kind of launched.
You know,
You were in Bhopal.
it's just being at the right place at the right time. When I was in school, we had to do 12 standards in school, board exam. And there was nothing, it was summer holidays, and my father was always very critical of, you know, after Mahanagar, I got interested in cinema. So I started seeing films, all kinds. And I remember one day when
Where were you seeing these films?
in Bhopal.
But only Hindi movies and English movies.
On weekends there used to be Bengali Association organized Bengali
Film
films
Society.
and South Indian film. Hello.
सभी ऐसे कहते हैं कि टाइम की बहुत लिमिटेशंस होती है, मतलब हम टाइम पे नहीं पहुंचते क्योंकि हमें बहुत ट्रैफिक मिलती है, कोई रीजन दे देते। पर आप ऐसे हो कि आप सभी जगह टाइम पे होते हो, तो ये टाइम कैसे मैनेज करते हो, ये आप हमें बता सकते हो? क्योंकि अभी आपने कहा कि आप मिलिट्री पर्सन बनना चाहती थी, तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि टाइम कैसे मैनेज करते हैं, क्योंकि आज के हम सब यही रीजन देते हैं कि हम यहाँ नहीं पहुँच पाए क्योंकि ये था, पर आप हमेशा टाइम पे होते हो और हमें गर्व है कि आप टाइम पे हो। तो हमें भी आप अपने पॉइंट्स दे दो कि आप कैसे टाइम पे जाते हो, हम भी जाएंगे।
देखिए, अगर आप समय से या समय के पहले पहुंच जाए तो फायदे बहुत होते हैं। फर्स्ट, सेकेंडली, आपको मुझे कहा गया था कि 3 बजे यहाँ कार्यक्रम शुरू होगा। हम आपको 2:45 बजे लेने आएंगे। तो मैं 2-2:15 बजे तैयार थी। तो बच्ची आई मुझे लेने 2:30 और हम 7 मिनट में यहाँ पहुँच गए। तो मैं समय से उसी तरह समय मुझे कहीं पहुँचना होता है तो मैं अपने आप को तैयारी उसी तरह कर लेती हूँ। और अभी इसके बाद मुझे और एक जगह जाना है, टाउन में एक फंक्शन। तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी होता है। और मैं बहुत सारे कमिटमेंट्स एक दिन में नहीं रखती हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि शहर में, इस शहर में क्यों, आज हिंदुस्तान में किसी भी शहर में आप चले जाइए, ये ट्रैफिक प्रॉब्लम तो हर कहीं है। तो मैं उसी तरह से अपने आप को प्रिपेयर कर लेती हूँ। हमेशा अपने आप को आधा घंटा 20 मिनट वो देती हूँ, लिमिट देती हूँ कि भाई मैं पहले से निकल जाऊँगी। अगर जैसे कल मैं यहाँ भाईदास में गुजराती प्ले देखने आई थी शाम को।
क्या रखो?
नहीं,
कोड मंत्र
वो देखने आई थी। अच्छा, मुझे बताया गया कि 7:45 का प्ले है। तो जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि हम आपको 7:45 को गेट के पास मिलेंगे। बट बिकॉज आई लाइक टू बी ऑन टाइम एवरीवेयर, मैं 6:45 को यहाँ पहुँच गई। मेरे दिमाग में 7:45 की जगह 6:45 रहा, बिकॉज यू नो आई लाइक टू बी। और मैं बहुत पर्टिकुलर हूँ, क्योंकि मैंने 2 प्लेज किए हैं, माँ रिटायर होती है और डॉक्टर मुक्ता। और मैं बहुत फंसी थी कि अगर आपने 6 बजे कहा है तो कर्टन 6 बजे उठना चाहिए। मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इस मामले में डिसिप्लिन हूँ और हमारे परिवार में सब लोग ऐसे हैं। तो अपने आप को, अगर आपको कहीं 4 बजे पहुंचना है और आपको लगता है कि आपको 1 घंटा लगेगा, तो आप 2:30 को घर से निकलिए। आप अगर उस जगह पहले पहुंच जाए तो यहाँ मैंने बहुत सारा ड्राइव किया। आप लोग सब बच्चे लोग बाहर खड़े हुए थे कुछ लाइन लगा के, पता नहीं कुछ आप लोग का हो रहा था शायद। 4 बार मैंने पूरे जुहू पैलेस की मेरे राउंड लगाया, फिर भी मैं बहुत पहले पहुंच गई थी। तो इट डजंट मैटर, यू मस्ट रिस्पेक्ट समबडी एल्सेस टाइम। जिन्होंने आपको बुलाया उनका जो वक्त है उसको इज्जत देनी चाहिए। उन्होंने आपको बुलाया, ये आपकी इज्जत है। उन्होंने आपको इज्जत दी कि आपको उन्होंने बुलाया, मगर आपको उनको भी वापस इज्जत देनी चाहिए और समय से पहुंचना चाहिए।
धन्यवाद मैम। और एक एक्टर्स जब सेट पे जाते हैं तो लेट ही जाते हैं, ऐसे कहा जाता है।
ये देखिए, कहा जाता है, सुना जाता है, इसके ऊपर सवाल मत करिए, अपना एक्सपीरियंस के ऊपर सवाल करिए।
तो आपको अच्छा लगता है कि आप जल्दी हो लेकिन बाकी सब लेट आते हैं, तो आपको चलता है? अगर आपके
मेरे साथ बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा वाकया नहीं हुआ है। एक आध हुआ है जहाँ मैंने जो लेट आए उनको बोल दिया कि देखिए आपके पास बहुत समय होगा, मेरे पास ज़्यादा समय नहीं है, तो प्लीज़ कम ऑन टाइम। यू आर वेलकम।
I would like to take the opportunity to thank Mrs. Jaya Bachchan ma'am and Mrs. Bhavna Soman ma'am for coming here and gracing our occasion. We have been enlightened by your words of wisdom. Thank you so much. Thank you all.
कॉलेज फंक्शन.
अरे हट तो उनको बोलना.
जय मैम बोल रहे हैं, प्लीज.